Welcome to see the video of Ikea kitchen design. We have made this cozy kitchen with that original home cooking touch, perfect for medium-sized apartment. It's the heart of the home for the whole family, where modern appliances and furniture meet old school style for a laid back country feel with a modern expression, lots of wooden surfaces for that genuine urban rustic feel. What could be better than baking with the family? And nothing says urban farmhouse like open storage with hooks displaying everything you need at home's reach for that genuine rustic style. The old school sink and white tiles on the wall complete the perfectly imperfect country feel of this kitchen. This kitchen look lives hand in hand with day-to-day life. Our family kitchen has a place for everything. Everyday utensils hanging on the wall, hooks, sharp knives, and other cutlery safely stored away in the drawers. Lots of creams, browns, and greens give color to this practical family functionality. The perfect combination of the old and new with state of the art kitchen appliances blending into the urban farmhouse kitchen vibe.